Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the functions of accounting, three topics: bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy under chapter 1. So first, function of accounting. There are so many functions of accounting to prepare accounting. There is so many functions which are performed by an accountant. First, complete and systematic record. Whenever you are preparing an accounting system, then you have to keep the records properly and systematically way, because every kind of information is there. Any kind of information which are required at any time, you can record in systematic manner. Second function, communicate with results to various parties, because in a business concern there are so many parties which are connected with the business from outside, so like creditor, debtor, suppliers. So we have to provide the information to these parties. Third, protecting assets of the business, because at the end of the at the end of accounting year, we have to calculate the profit losses, and then we have to see what kind of assets are there, and we have to protect that assets according to this. And fourth function is assistance to management, because it also provides them any assistance to the management, like in planning, in controlling, and in decision making also. So next point, compliance of legal needs, because as per law there are many law like income tax act, GST. You have to submit the income tax returns as well. So this if you prepare the accounts, then it is a evidence. And last, fixing responsibilities. So in business there are so many departments, every department is handling their own department, so the profitability will be fixed as per their own department. So these are the functions of accounting whenever you are preparing an account. Now the next topic, bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is an art of recording the transaction in books. So whenever you first record the transaction, you cannot keep all the transaction in your mind, then you have to record these transaction into books. So first, whenever the dealings in the business, you have to record in books. So for this we have to do four activities, like identify transaction. First you have to identify the transaction which are done in the business. Second, measuring monetary terms. When whatever the transaction may be, you have to consider in accounting only monetary terms. Second, recording in original entry. Whenever you record the transaction, you have to put in journal entries and then posting into ledger, different ledgers. Now the next topic, accounting. Accounting, what is an accounting? Whenever you record the books, bookkeeping is end there. So after that, accounting starts. Whenever the bookkeeping ends, accounting will start. So it include how many transactions. First, you have to summarize. Summarize means like you have to prepare trading account, profit and loss, and balance sheet. In this case, you would find profit and loss and company's position. And the next, analyze and interpreting results. You have to take some analysis, you have to get the results from these accounts. And third, communicating to various parties which are interested with the business, which are the stakeholder and the shareholders of the business. So accounting in big concern, uh, one is accountant, one is bookkeeper. Bookkeeper, what is the function of bookkeeper is to maintain the books. And what is the function of accountant? He has to prepare the books. From bookkeeping, he has to prepare trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet, and then final result. And last, accountancy. So this is the summation of this. Like you have to, whenever you are recording the transaction, you have complete systematic knowledge. Whenever you have systematic records, then you have the complete systematic knowledge. Then you have to apply certain principles and certain techniques. Like there are three rules: personal rule, real rule, and nominal rule. And then how to prepare accounts. Under accountancy, you know how to prepare accounts, how to prepare trading and profit and loss, what are the performance of these, how to summarize, like how to put the transaction in different ledgers account, and communicate to interested parties. Again, the interested party which are external from the business, we have to communicate this information to the other parties so that they can put their interest in this. So at the end, so therefore accountancy refer to the entire body of theory and practice of accounting, means entire systematic knowledge, and then you have to apply this knowledge into practical form. So this is about functions, bookkeeping, accounting, and accountancy. So I'm sending the notes to this. You have to prepare these notes and learn this.